This robotic-based vision system was designed and built by Dunkley to do the final inspection of various style truck transmissions. The CyproVision system ensures that the transmission conforms to the bill of materials called out on the production order. This system is in constant communication with the process control software as well as the material handling line. All images of the features inspected are saved and sent to a separate server for archiving. This allows for a pictorial record of what was built and shipped to the customer. The work area is protected by light curtains and safety floor mats.